This is Fluke 62 Max Infrared Thermometer. In this video, I'm gonna do the unboxing and let's do several tests. This is the thermometer. You get a menu, and here is the basic information. This one is very good in hand, feels very good. The surface is kind of rubber like plastic. It's hard, but the surface is not slippery. You can easily to grab it, and the size is good. My hand is not that big, but I'm using it very good. It comes with one battery, so I'm gonna put the battery in. So let's peel this one off. So this is basically how it works. So if I push the trigger and it gives you the reading. If you keep holding it and you still got the reading. If you just let it go, and it will keep the reading several seconds, and then it will power off. Also, this is water dust resistant, and it can drop from 3 meters without problem. And I like this size. It feels very good in hand and a very good color. So if you lost it, if you drop it in the snow, whatever, it's the color, you can find it. Very good tool. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.